are you doing today? You guys got a new product?
Yep.
Surfactant that works really good, huh?
Try that one out.
All right. Lemony fresh, right?
Lemon flavor.
Lemon flavor.
Where you from?
I'm from Long Island, New York, Amityville.
I couldn't have guessed.
I'm the Amityville horror man. All right, good morning. Super blast, pressure washing. It's gonna be a busy day today. We have 3 driveways to do this morning. I already did one. It's only 8:30 here in sunny Florida. Temps down a little bit, but in the 50s this morning, which is beautiful pressure washing weather. As you can see, this is very, very dirty. Gutter in the road is very, very dirty, and we need to get after it, so let's rock and roll. All right, we got our SH down on the ground here. Letting this stuff marinate a little bit. Get this mold worked off of here. All right. We're going to take the 31-inch Mondu that's resting nicely right here. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a look. Turned out nice, real nice. There in the front. No mark. Now we just got to do a little slab out back, and we'll be on to the next one. It's going to be a corner lot, sidewalk and driveway. Coming up next. All right, down here, job number 4 of the day. It's around about 12:30 in the afternoon. Let's have a look at what we got here. We got the downstream injector hooked up. It's a loader B. And run the hose up. It just goes over the toolbox, right on down into the tank with the old SH chlorine soap mix. And we're here on Righteous Rescreening's behalf. They went ahead and rescreened all this pool cage back here, and I'm here to go ahead and clean it up. I was just back here looking at it. It's not that bad. So another easy job today. Let's take a look, a quick look. You can see some mold growth if you look. Mold growth over there. You can see it up there a little bit. Floor's just a little dirty. Not going to be bad. All right. Basic little pool clean. We'll be back. All right, so that's a wrap on this pool cage. Wasn't that big of a deal, so didn't take that long to do it. Quick jobs are always nice. Down here, Super Blast. This is a contractor tip. See the trailer? See the hose reels? When you pull up on a job, you want to think about finishing the job. So I just got done. So now I'm going to turn the water off, which is leaking. I hate these things here. Glad I have a buffer tank. Anyway, you get everything lined up to the trailer at the end of the job, and all you got to do is reel everything back in and throw it in gear, on to the next job. So that's the very first thing I do when I pull up to a job, is I eyeball where the job is, where the water is, and how I can line up to leave the job at the end as easy as possible. All right, I'm done. That's a contractor. Okay, now electric hose reels. Are they worth buying? Well, hell yeah. This is my favorite part of the job, being finished. Somebody's hedges out. And it's just that easy, man. If you find every way possible to make your job faster, you can definitely be more efficient, and you can definitely get more work done during the day. Have everything accessible to you when you get to the job. You know, this is the rig. You know, it is set up to operate to the right of way, which is the way you should do it, because it's illegal to do anything else. There's my injector bucket. Always soak the injector in some water, or you can use another way. I think Aaron over there at the Mad Academy, Mad Max, One Truck Big Profit, you know that guy, he has a good suggestion to spray some WD-40 in there, and you can just set it down the tray, and that also works very well. But anyway, we're getting ready to do one more job for the day. It'll be another pool cage, and then we will talk to you a little bit later. We're en route. All right, we got the rig cocked in here sideways for job number 5 of the day. Let's go ahead and go on back here and check this out. This is a regular customer. Do this job every year. This will be like my 5th year doing it. Just the pool cage only, none of this paver stuff. It's not that bad either. You just get some mold down the corners and stuff like that. Black along the edge. Some mold down here, it's got to be treated. That's pretty moldy right there. Anyway, this will be a wrap for the day, and it's only 10 after 1 right now. So let's get this job done. All right, it's the end of the day. The roar of the mighty GX 800. All right, let's take a look. As you can see, all the hoses are heading towards the trailer. Have a good look. Got the chairs clean. She wanted to have that done. There you have it. Nice clean pool cage. Once again, Super Blast gets her done right, and another satisfied, happy customer. See you next time.